Have you ever thought about how a small prompt can lead you to create a video that could potentially go viral and give your video content a new direction? So let's see how a simple prompt can transform your video content like magic. So first we'll visit this website. I know many people may already know it, but it recently introduced an AI feature where we can create a complete video by just providing a text prompt, and the video it creates is impressive with special effects and added subtitles. So here we'll sign up. The website will ask us some questions and we'll just simply answer them, and we'll skip the Discord option for now, and then we'll be all set once we reach the home page. So now here's the key part. You'll notice a large prompt box. For instance, if you are making a video related to fitness, I'll write benefits of yoga in my prompt box. You can provide any kind of prompt you like, and you can also use ChatGPT for better prompts. And next, in the workflow options, choose the type of video you want to create, whether it's a long video or a short one. For now, let's go with a short video. Then you will need to describe the theme of your video to give it better understanding. And now in the settings, pick the voice, male or female, select the accent and add subtitles and stock images. But if you select iStock for stock videos, you might see a large watermark. And after that, click continue, and it will present us with 3 more options, which we typically leave as default. And once you click continue, it will generate the entire video complete with captions, fantastic editing, transitions and voiceover, all within just a minute. So the analysis is done, and it has even provided us with a title, which is the key of wellness. And now here's the video, which we'll watch in just a minute. But before that, let's explore the other options available. So you can see here we can edit media, modify the script, upload our images or videos, or search for them here. Moreover, we can also edit it by giving specific commands, and we can also edit our script, determine the order of lines, make changes, or add our own content as needed. And lastly, we can export it. But keep in mind that watermark and subtitles are only available in the pro version. In the free version, a watermark will be added, but there are many websites where you can easily remove watermarks. So if you're using the free plan, you can create videos up to 10 minutes per week and export a maximum of 4 videos with a watermark. So if you are making short videos, reels, this tool will be very beneficial since you can easily create 4 shorts every week. But if you are working on a longer videos, you won't be able to make more than 1 or 2 because it doesn't allow videos longer than 10 minutes. So now let's take a look at the final result.
Greetings! Ever wondered why yoga is such a global phenomenon? Let's unravel this together. First up, yoga is a holistic workout, strengthening your body and calming your mind simultaneously. Imagine getting the benefits of a gym session and meditation all in one. Secondly, it improves flexibility and posture, essential for those of us hunched over computers or smartphones. Thirdly, yoga boosts your overall health by improving heart function, lowering stress levels, and enhancing digestion. Lastly, it's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. So why not give yoga a try? It's like a health insurance policy that costs nothing but a few minutes of your time each day. Remember, your body deserves that love and care. Until next time, keep the Zen alive.
So you can see how we transformed a simple prompt into a fantastic video. But remember, there's a new video hidden behind every prompt, and finding that prompt is up to you. So keep creating and inspiring.